Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel dito po sa Mathmaster. Dito tayo sa grade 8 na lesson na nirequest po ng isa nating nag-subscribe na kung gawan daw ng videos about addition and subtraction of monomials. Okay. So, ganito po yon. Ang una po natin consider when it comes to addition of monomials, ay dapat papasok sa ating isipan na we can add monomials kung meron tayong tinatawag na similar terms. Ganyan lang kasimple. No? Dapat merong similar terms. Pag hindi sila similar terms, so hindi siya pwedeng i-perform ang operation. Okay. So, paano natin masabi na similar terms? Okay. Pag sinabing similar terms, ay we have same literal coefficients. Dapat pareho yung kanilang literal coefficient. Example, for AB, negative 6AB, 12AB. So, mapapansin po natin na yung literal coefficients ito ay AB, AB, AB. Yan. Kaya pwede natin itong i-perform ang addition of monomials. Okay, so, ganyan lang simple when it comes to addition of monomials. Okay, sa pag-add ng monomials, halimbawa, 5AB plus negative 3AB. Yan. Okay, so paano yan? Solve. When we add monomials, ganito lang po ang ating gawin. Since pareho po yung kanilang literal coefficient, ay let us copy the literal coefficient, which is AB. And then, perform 5 plus negative 3. So, this is pag-solve ng ating numerical coefficient. Okay, so numerical coefficient natin, we will perform the operation addition of integers, 5 plus negative 3, adding unlike signs to unlike sign integers. So, we will subtract. So, 5 minus 3, 2. Then, yung merong mataas na absolute value which is 5. So, that's why our sign here is positive 2. So, ang answer po natin dito is positive 2AB. Positive 2AB. Okay, another is, let's say 7x squared y plus x squared y. Okay, so paano kaya i-solve? So again, same literal coefficient, pareho silang exponent ng x, pareho nilang ng variables. So, let's copy x squared y. And then, dapat alam mo ito kung ano yung numerical coefficient dito sa x squared y. As we can see, that the numerical coefficient here of x squared y, pag wala po kayo nakikitang number dyan sa unahan, ibig po sabihin yan ay 1 ang numerical coefficient. So, lagyan natin ng 1 kung gusto natin na hindi tayo malito. So, that is positive 1. So, simple na lang. 7 plus 1, ilan? So, that is 8. So, our answer is 8x squared y. Paano naman kaya kung ganito? Negative 9m squared plus negative m squared. Okay. Since pareho tayo ng literal coefficient. So, let's have m squared. Tapos, itong plus negative m, ibig sabihin yan, meron siyang negative 1 dyan. Okay? So, adding two like signs. So, negative 9 plus negative 1. So, that is negative 10. Okay, so ang answer natin is negative 10m squared. So, that's all on how to add monomials.